On the occasion of the 20th anniversary of the establishment of LABTT, we proudly introduce the new Intelligent I-Series Hardness testers, comprehensive digital empowerment, and help the intelligent development of Chinese enterprises. I-Series Micro Vickers Hardness Tester, equipped with Operation Platform Panoramic Camera, no image combination required to create a panoramic image of the sample, macro vision to make the test more intuitive. Ultra-precision X-Y operation platform with an accuracy of 1 micron and moving distance of up to 200 mm, satisfies the need for automated multipoint sampling. Optical cross-guide lifting mechanism precision of 0.08 microns, while the self-contained pressure head and objective lens anti-collision device and automatic retraction function active protection function. 6-station precision automatic turret configuration HV, HK indenter, objective lens from 2.5x to 50x optional. Self-powered value switching can be in the non-smooth or scratched surface on the indentation detection, reduce the sample requirements. Self-developed software to realize fast automatic precision focusing, algorithm refresh industry standards. For more functions, please consult 400-8065-056. LABTT, testing is easy.